Hi, my name is Eric Harper. I am a storyboard artist and illustrator at LinkedIn, and today I'm going to share how I approach drawing. This first drawing I did for my daughter. It's her 4th level elf monk, totally kicking some ass. So let's get into drawing. So how I see drawing. I consciously bend every line with C curves in mind. That's the fundamental thing I do on every drawing I do. So let's here's a photo of my girlfriend's ceramics as they are drying, and I will show you here like how I break down something that I'm seeing from reference, and I do the same thing when I'm drawing from imagination. It's all just an assembly of C curves being bent at different degrees, and even a straight line for me is just a C curve that has no bend in it, if that makes sense. Okay, so why C curves? Well, for me, it's an easy mantra. Helps keep my mind from not chatting too much. C curves create nice shapes. Like if you put a bunch of C curves together, you will get a nice shape. You get a lot of free perspective. Like if you're breaking down shapes that are in front of each other or coming straight at camera or at the observer, like you're going to need to learn how to draw C curves to create the illusion that something's coming towards you. And it's essential as you're problem solving. You can just use C's to explore what looks right, and you have to use C curves. Like there's no other way to do it. So it's very useful in that. And a lot of times you just get a happy accident. It's like, oh yeah, that arm looks totally right. Cool. C curves help with your line quality, and line quality is important. It shows that you're more confident in your choices and confident in your lines. And confident lines make confident shapes, and confident shapes make great drawings. So the reason I use this is because it keeps it simple. It keeps it simple for me, and it makes it turns drawing into sort of a meditation as I break down stuff, as I problem solve, and when you're left with a cool drawing that you didn't know you were going to have in the beginning, and you worked through a process that kind of got you there. It's very rewarding. So, all right, so that's my approach. I'll try to keep it short. All right, so see you later.